As soon as I hear home, that brings me back to living in a small town north of Peru. Everything was close. I could see my friends, my family. I also have a twin brother. I had a wonderful childhood. My dad was in the Navy, and when we were growing up, my dad would come to our room and start telling his stories about going into the ocean and make all these trips. The way he would start is like this sort of meditation, right? He would be like, breathe in, breathe out. And it was beautiful. And I think that moment when I was listening to my dad's stories is one of the first examples I can give you of me imagining stories. Who would have thought that 25 years from that memory, me and my brother would be actually recreating that moment and that feeling? I'm telling a story that is really personal to me, but I'm finding a new aesthetic and a new way of telling that story. That for me, something magical.